Welcome back everyone. Now it's time for the second part of the program.
Good morning, everyone. Respected directors, guests, teachers, and all the people who are presented out here. First of all, I would like to thank Global Business College's management team for conducting the program and for giving me such a golden opportunity to debate along with all other competitors. And secondly, I would like to thank the host, Mr. Aman Chaurasia, for calling me out here on the stage. I am Abhimanyu Thakur, all the way from Birganj. I am a young boy who has been studying as a student of Global Business College in its dedication section. I am here to debate on the topic, digital marketing is more effective than traditional marketing, and I am going to speak for the motion. Digital marketing is the modern way of marketing, which is also the most advanced way of marketing till the date, and it is the latest way of marketing of any stuff or products. It is done via internet. Nowadays, a large number of people are getting access to the internet. With how accessible is the internet today? Will you believe me if I tell you the number of people go only every day? It's still increasing. It is. In fact, constant internet usage among adults has increased by 5% in just the last 3 years. Traditional marketing isn't effective now than it used to be earlier. It's all because we all look for comfort in everything we do regularly in our daily life. We don't have enough time to spend in buying or selling of any goods or stuffs. So, in order to save our time, it has been created as a boon and has been gifted to us in the form of a modern trend. We can even earn through digital marketing. We just to do is what? We need to create our own blogs and websites on the internet. We can also earn through digital marketing in many other ways, like by advertising for any product through our email ID on different social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. So we can say that it's a good means of earning for unemployed people as well. And if any one of us is a businessman or an entrepreneur, then we can encourage him. And if she is going to launch any product, then we can advertise about it and get instant feedbacks and fix the related issues. And as a result, we can get greater returns at lower costs. So, as a conclusion, I would like to say is that we need to begin the use of digital marketing for the beginning of digital era throughout the Nepal. Thank you very much for listening to me so patiently.
Good morning everyone, respected teachers, chief guests, jury members and all my dear and near friends. A warm good morning to you all. It's me Priyanka Yadav from Dedication Section of Global Business College. Today I am here to debate on the topic digital marketing is better than traditional marketing, and I am speaking for the motion. So without wasting your and my time, I would like to directly touch my topic, digital marketing. In simple terms, digital marketing is the promotion of products, brands through one or more forms of internet. It is also known as online marketing, search marketing, web marketing and e-marketing. Digital marketing is considered to be broad in scope because it not only refers to marketing on the internet but also marketing done through email and wireless media. As we all know that this is 21st century, which is also known as scientific era, where maximum people used to perform their activities through internet. So it's not surprise to say that digital marketing is the best way to promote brands and products. If we look at the past decades, we will see that digital marketing has grown exponentially. Today, maximum people used to prefer digital marketing due to their busy schedule in their daily life. More and more people are logging on the web to carry out their day-to-day activities. Successful marketing requires a business to connect and interact with the customers, prospectors to get actual return on the investment. Given the fact that a large majority of people spends a lot of time on the internet, so it gives a sense to businessmen that digital marketing is the best way of promoting their brands. In traditional marketing, marketers, customers, audience have to wait for the products for so many days, weeks, maybe months. But in digital marketing, customers, targeted groups can easily source their products through different websites like Amazon, Myntra, Daraz, etc. and get their product within some days. As of today, 60% marketers across various industries have already shifted their business toward digital marketing. Digital marketing does instant publicity and gives instant results within some days, just with a few clicks. So at last, I would like to conclude that digital marketing is the best way of promoting brands, products through internet. It is easy to interact, cost effective. So at last, I would like to say that it's not surprise to say that digital marketing is the best way of promoting their brands within all over the country. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Respected teachers, guests, chief guest ma'am, director, judges, and all my dear and near students who are presented out here. Today, firstly, I would like to thank the host of today's program, Amar Kumar Chaurasia, for calling me out here and giving me such a golden opportunity to speak in front of you all. And I would also like to thank the management team of Global Business College for conducting such a wonderful program. Yes, the person here standing in front of you is Saksham Niraula, who is the student of this very Global Business College, who studies in class 11 and studies in dedication section. Today, I am here to debate on the topic that digital marketing is better than traditional marketing, and today I am speaking for the motion. Digital marketing is marketing of goods and services through the internet. As we all know that today's world is all of internet. There are only few of us who doesn't know how to browse in internet. Digital marketing uses internet to do its marketing. See, if the same thing is in the pamphlet of a side of a road, no one will know how many people have seen that board, how many people have been influenced by that board. But in digital marketing, if there is an ad on someone's newsfeed of Facebook, we can just see how many of them have seen that ad and how many of them have just clicked and seen that very product. Digital marketing has a very good thing, that is that it can target some of the people. If you have opened a college, then you will need students who have just passed SLC. Yes, digital marketing, what it does is that digital marketing helps to target the people who have just passed SLC. It will just pop the ad in the news feed of people who have just passed SLC, and from there they can just click and see about the college. See, digital marketing can target the people by their likes, dislikes, and their age and everything. It can just specify and show the ad of your very product in only the newsfeed of them. See, I don't think any of us don't have internet account, and everyone should have internet account at this 21st century, because without internet account you are not accessible to browse through digital world. Without browsing in digital world, you are very backward. The word traditional direct says old. See, it means old. So digital marketing is doing what? It is just taking over the marketing, and it is just spreading everyone digital things. See, as a part of conclusion, I want to tell that digital marketing is future. But I don't think it's future as well. Why? Because in present, everyone is using digital marketing. See, digital marketing is only the reason for Amazon and Flipkart and Alibaba.com to develop as it is now. The owner of them are the richest person in the world. So if you want to develop, you have to develop digital marketing. By saying this much, I would like to conclude my speech. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my respected teacher and today's guest. It's me, Pratima Kumari Shah. I'm a student of Global Business College from Desire section. Today I'm here to say something in front of you all. I'm here to debate on the topic digital marketing is better than traditional marketing. I'm speaking against the motion. As you know that traditional marketing refers to all those marketing which are done through traditional methods. And in this type of methods, promotion, advertisements are done through billboards, flyers, pamphlets, radio, television and other form of advertisement. But digital marketing depends on 100% of the internet. So we can think the place where internet cannot available, then their digital marketing is not possible. Traditional marketing is not just only using television and other form of media. Traditional marketing also includes creating awareness by speaking people to directly. In society where people are literate, speaking to them directly is the best way to market a product or services. This helps the people better understand the product and the entire marketing strategy implemented effective. Most of the people in Nepal, they are not highly educated, so they do not understand the digital marketing. Traditional marketing is more effective than digital marketing because traditional marketing has a long history and people are easily to believe or trust. Traditional marketing is possible anywhere and anytime, but digital marketing is possible only the place where internet can available and when you are online. I'm not saying digital marketing is not better, but Nepal is a developing country and it needs traditional marketing because in traditional marketing there are much more manpower required than digital marketing. It solve unemployment problem and helps to develop in our country. Therefore, traditional marketing is better. For example, I want to ask you, how many of you click on a pop-up ad with every time it's appear on your screen? Very few or probably none of you. That shows how effective is digital marketing. At last, I want to say that if you want to be successful in your business, then you start traditional marketing because in traditional marketing is more effective and more better than traditional marketing. Thank you for listening me, giving your precious time. Thank you very much.
Digital marketing is increasing day by day in Nepal, but only about 15% of the total population use it, which definitely proves that traditional market is more beneficial in Nepal than digital market. Half of the population, which mainly includes older people who are still the part of consumer bases, are more familiar with traditional marketing, which makes it sure that will continue for years to come. Digital market only focus on social media, but traditional market has the ability to reach each corner where internet connection is lacking. At last, I would like to say that traditional market was, is and will be one of the best marketing method in Nepal. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected teachers, chief guests, judges, director, principal and all my dear and near friends. It's me, Usma Giri, studying in this very global business college and I am the student of dedication section. Today I am here to debate on the topic digital marketing is better than traditional marketing and I am speaking against the motion. Traditional marketing refers to any type of advertisement, promotion or campaign that has been used by campaigns for years and has a high success rate. It is the most recognizable type of marketing advertisement that we see and hear every day. Method of traditional marketing can include pamphlets, bill, TV, newspaper, radio, etc. Traditional marketing familiarity makes it easy to understand. With older ancestors who use traditional method, they don't need much explanation that what are the promotional material are for. They can simply accept a flyer, read it when they have a time, and know that it is the advertisement of a brand or a product. Digital marketing, on the other hand, might not sit well with the old customer who have a little idea how to navigate the internet. Traditional marketing has a high and proven success rate. As everything going digital nowadays, it is easy to verify why traditional method is still around. The explanation for that is simple. The explanation for that is simple. It is tried and tested and has a high success rate. Not everyone who might be interested on your product or service has access to the internet, or if they have, they don't really like going online. For this kind of people, traditional marketing is convenient. In the context of Nepal, despite the recent eye-popping of digital sphere, the Nepali print media has the highest number of share by 47%, television and radio have 19%, and social media at 5%. At last, I would like to say that traditional marketing has the ability to reach all the corners where digital marketing is scarce. Traditional marketing helps to with the old people who are connected with the traditional marketing. They support traditional marketing, and because of these all things, traditional marketing will be continue for long years. Thank you so much.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Abhimanyu Thakur, and I'm back here to rebuttal against my opponent's views. As one of my opponents said, that there are many illiterate people in Nepal, but literacy rate is increasing slightly in the present situation. So they can, even if they can't read, but they can see visually and hear it, so they can get knowledge about what the advertisement is about. And again, one of my opponents also said that there are many old people who don't use internet. So there are many big companies like Reebok and Adidas who don't target those people who like you can see that many old people don't use Reebok shoes and Adidas shoes or any stuffs of them. So they don't. So such companies don't think it necessary to target such people. So they can even earn money without targeting such people. So I would like to conclude by saying that digital marketing is far better than traditional marketing, as it is fast, cheap, and an effective way of marketing. Thank you. Thank you very much for listening to me so patiently.
I am Priyanka Yadav, standing in front of you once again to rebuttal against my opponent's view. As one of my friends has said that traditional marketing reaches to the local regions where there is no internet connection. But I want to say that digital marketing reaches all corner of the country. They are right that this traditional marketing reaches only the local areas where there is not internet connection. Digital marketing, as I have already said, that digital marketing is the promotion of brands through internet. So where there is internet, there is digital marketing. I want to say this also, that there are many states, countries where there are free Wi-Fi internet connection, and they utilize that Wi-Fi connection to do their daily activities in their daily life. So it is the best way to promote their brands and products, not only to that local areas, but also all corner of the country. Digital marketing can get actual return of the investment. Digital marketing promotes their brands all over the country, not only to the areas where there is no internet connection. So at last, I would like to conclude that digital marketing is better than traditional marketing. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am back here in front of you all to present my counter arguments on the topic. See, many of them told that digital marketing, that traditional marketing is good, but do you know how much that cost? Any one of us, do we have idea? See, only 4x4 ad of some newspaper in newspaper, daily newspaper cost 30,000. Only 4x4. See the size of ad, and nobody, there is not secure, there is no guarantee that anyone will see or notice that ad or not. If digital marketing is not effective, then why the many big companies are using both traditional and digital marketing? Previously they used to do only traditional marketing, but nowadays each and every companies are doing traditional as well as digital marketing. Why? Because they see future. See, if there is digital marketing, there is future. The day is not far where the people will stop watching TV, reading magazines or newspaper, etc. Another big example that digital marketing is taking over traditional marketing is that the main home, we can say that main base of traditional marketing, FM radio. In the context of Birganj, FM radio, last time Public FM had just streamed live on Facebook. Why? Why does Public FM is using digital platform? Why? Because it wants to connect with a lot of people. It wants to connect with a lot of people, and it wants to make all the people listen to them. See, even radios are using digital marketing. By saying this much, I'd like to conclude my speech. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I'm standing here in front of you once again to present my counter arguments against my opponent view. I want to say many of the people in Nepal, they are using internet, but they are not believe in digital marketing. They are only use, and all people are joined in internet, but they are only joined internet. They are not trust. They are not believe in digital marketing. Digital marketing have only one way to doing their market, but in traditional marketing there are many ways to do their marketing. Like some people of Nepal or other country, they are like to reading newspaper, so they understand the news, and some of the people, they are listening radio, and some of the people, they are see television, and the man is only using internet. They are only know the digital marketing, but there are many people, a lot of people, they are know digital marketing, and digital marketing is the best and effective way to doing their market. Thank you very much.
Again, to give my counter arguments against the speaker who have just speak for the motion. As one of my friends said that digital marketing can easily reach. We know that digital market is all based upon 100% net connection. What about those areas where there is no internet connection? When we talk about traditional marketing, it has got the ability to reach each corner where internet connection is not available. Even my friend even said that digital marketing is increasing day by day in Nepal. Yeah, digital marketing is increasing day by day in Nepal, but only about 50% of the total population use it, which directly proves that traditional marketing is more beneficial in Nepal rather than digital market. We can take our example here. How many of them use online marketing? Rarely one or two, which definitely proves that people more trust traditional marketing rather than digital marketing. Thank you for listening to me.
Again, to debate on my opponent's view. As As one of my friend told, that it is the era of internet and everyone is using Facebook, YouTube, etc. But I want to ask you all, how many of you really cares about the ad which you see while scrolling the news feed in FB? No one really scared. Similarly, while playing the games, we can see different ads coming while we play the game. And who really cares for that? No one. Digital marketing is fully dependent on the internet. The digital marketing cannot be happen without the internet. But with the help of traditional marketing, the people can know about the product. They can see the banners, they can listen the radios, they can watch the television to know about the product. And it is the matter of the trust. The different branded company use traditional marketing, that is television. While watching the television, we get to know different products which are launched and people are attracted toward it. So because of these points, I like to say that traditional market is far better than digital marketing. Thank you.
Say more other than Usmagiri.